What's up, everybody? This is the first knife I ever built. Well, first knife, it is a cleaver, obviously. I built it on a wood lathe. It's hollow ground, 440C stainless steel. Has a bloodwood handle with a maple spacer, stainless steel pins. What else? That's about it. The whole thing was built on a lathe. Well, the whole thing. The hollow grind, a lot of the shaping was built on a lathe, and here's what I did. I took a piece of 440C steel, hacksawed that out, and filed, hacksawed, all that good stuff. I made me a 22-inch MDF wheel on my lathe and taped a piece of 1/4-inch cork and glued 120 grit sandpaper to it. That worked okay. I had to turn it really slow. Bad thing was the cork is soft. It kind of gave me an apple seed grind, and I couldn't change the paper. So I took this wheel, about a 6-inch rubber wheel, and I attached it to this piece of unistrut. It made me a little drive wheel attached to the lathe, and then I stretched my 72x2 belt around it and clamped everything to my lathe. That worked okay, but the unistrut wobbled like crazy, so I didn't get good results there. I could change the belts though, that was a plus. So then I built this. I took the same drive wheel, I cut the end off so I could get it closer here. I bolted a piece of plywood to the lathe, built this torsion box, and then I took an old aluminum table saw fence and mounted the wheel to it, and that slides in and out of the box. I got a lot better results there, as you can see, and I could still change the belts as well. The wheel at the top is hooked to a hinge, and I could screw that in and out so that I could drive the belt to the left or to the right. Then I just have this bar here with a spring on it to keep tension on the belt. You can see the results there. It's a nice hollow grind. It was easier to control. The rest of the knife was pretty much just built by hand, using hand tools, gluing it up, shaping it with a lot of files, a lot of sanding, stuff like that. My brother hardened it for me. He has a kiln, so I'm not sure what Rockwell it is. I would guess around 59, something like that. It stays sharp. You can see some stains in it here and there, lots of scratches and stuff from being used. Anyway, if you like this video or you like my channel, tell your friends about it. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Appreciate you watching it. Thank you.